Okay guys, today we're gonna work with light weights. All right, so I'm using these 5-pound weights, but you can also use 2 pounds or 3 pounds, okay? All right, we're first gonna start off on the knees. Actually, you know what? You can see me from there standing. We'll start off standing. I was afraid you couldn't see me standing up. So, bending the knees, feet hip distance, okay? And we're gonna do reverse fly, all right? So bending the elbows, when you bring it back, you want your shoulder blades to squeeze together like you're squeezing the walnut, okay? All right, so that's your first exercise. Now, abs are in tight, pull your stomach in, and exhale when you open those arms, all right? You've got about almost 1 minute here, reverse fly. This is a very simple exercise. It really helps with technique and strengthening the back is where we're targeting here. But I just want to let you know, a lot of people don't do this the right way, not to be whatever, but they go like this, or they just lift their shoulders up. It's about the back. So think about really strengthening the muscles in between the shoulder blades, okay? And they help keep your head up high, all right? So it's the opposite to kind of looking forward at the phone, all right? Okay, now this is an awesome core exercise. I'm gonna come down on my knees. Exercise number 2 is a kneeling squat. So I can go sideways here or on the diagonal. I'm gonna tuck my toes under. First of all, I'm gonna come sit halfway back to the heels, and maybe you can see it this way. You're just gonna reach up and bring it in, okay? So you've gotta keep your belly nice and strong. You reach up, bring it in. And this is one of those ones that looks really simple, but it's challenging and it's core strengthening. So when you're reaching out to grab something in the car and it's a really heavy bag of groceries, for example, it's heavier than you thought, you want to be able to be strong in the core to do that with the arms. Now you can also add a little squat. This is called the kneeling squat. Okay, so let's just do 5 more of those. You can sort of revisit this at a later date. 4, 3, I love this move. 2, really brings the back, so the legs into it. Last 1, and then release. Okay, exercise number 3, you can stay on the knees. 4, unravel the toes, and we're just gonna draw a T, okay? So it's up, together, open, and down. All right, here we go. Up, close, up, together, open, and down. So you've got about 7 more of this, and then we're gonna reverse the exercise. All right, reverse the position. 5, harder than it looks. You're doing great. Straight arms. 4 more. Up, close, open, down. 3, good. 2, strong arms. Last 1. Okay, now reverse it. Squeeze your bum, tuck under. You're coming up, open, together, down. 9. You're doing great. So nice and strong stability here through the core. So it's up, open, together, down. Nice job. I'm kind of moving here with you, but I want you to see that my legs are engaged. I'm squeezing my bum and my abs are nice and tight. All right, let's do 3 more just for good measure. 2, good job. Last one, it's up, open, together, down. So that was 10 of this way, this way, and 10 of that way, okay? All right, next we're gonna do Renegade Row. So you can definitely do this on the knees, and you're gonna alternate elbows back behind you. That's the row. It's in Renegade because you're gonna stay on the knees or come up to the full plank, okay? So looking ahead, about 6 to 8 inches in front of the weights, and you're gonna alternate, right, like that. And try to keep your legs as stable as you possibly can. All right, let's count down. This is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, keep as still as you can. 4, 3, 2, all right, we're gonna do 5 with the left arm. Ready, go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, switch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, alternate for 10. Come on, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, drop to the knees if you need to. Good job. 2, and 1. Woo, as you can tell, I'm out of breath on that one. That is hard. Okay, now next one is another plank series, and then we're gonna move to extension and Supergirl after that, okay? Now, you're on your, actually you can drop one weight, sorry about that. Okay, I'm gonna try with my left hand toward the camera so you can see. So 10 times you're in a plank. You're going to lift the arm up with the weight and just place it back down on the mat. Now try not to like plop it down, okay? Here we go. 9, yes. 8, ooh, I love this exercise. 7, really rotate to the core. 6, doing great. 5, good. 4, nice job. Whoops, I plopped it down on that one. Good. 2, just gentle tap, shoulder burn. Woo! Switch sides. Ready? Here we go. 10, touch. 9, drop it. 8, twist. Can you say obliques? Whew. 6, straight arm. 5, nice. 4, whew. 3 more, sweating. Doing great. 2, awesome. Last one. Whew. Drop to the knees and take a break. Okay, how you doing? Good. All right, now, the next one I promised was a version of Supergirl. I made this up at the Y one day. It is such an awesome move. Totally love it. It works on the carpet, but if you're on a hardwood floor, put a paper towel underneath your weight, okay? So you lie down, you keep your legs down, lie down on the mat. The weights are in front of you, okay? And then you're gonna drag the weights all the way up in a circle as you lift up to that Supergirl position. Let's just try 9 more, okay? Slide it forward, slide it open, looking down, looking ahead, 8, inhale, exhale, 7, inhale, and 6, breathe in, breathe out, 5, breathe in, oh my God, legs stay down, love this. 4 more, circle, you're dragging them on the floor, you're not lifting them. 3, good, 2, and last 1, awesome job. Okay, now grab just the one weight, and you're going to lie down, legs are in tabletop, fair warning, this gets challenging. Right foot over left in tabletop, you're gonna put the weight in between the knees, okay? So right from here, you're gonna feel your abs tighten up immediately without even doing anything because you've got an extra weighted resistance. It's like a weighted tabletop because it is. All right, so here you go. I'm gonna go this way so you can see, and we're just gonna do some curl ups. Or maybe I'll go down here a little bit so you can see, right? So hands behind your head, elbows wide 10 times. You're gonna curl and release. Curl and release. Now remember, don't pull your head, okay? You're using the ribs to come up. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, stay down. Now you're gonna lower your legs to the floor, down, down, up, up. This is called a double toe tap, but don't think of it that way because you're gonna bend the knees to get there. Think of it as a leg drop. So it's down, down, up, up, okay? This is 8, so 10 of those. 7, I know. You can bring your arms long if you want for now. 6, great job. 5, whew. 4, nice. 3, Keep your belly strong. Back on the mat 2. And last one. Now add a curl up, okay? So it's down, down, and curl 10. Good. 9. Adding on. 8. Breathe in, breathe out. 7. And 6. Exhale. 5. Doing great. 4. And 3. Inhale. Look at the knees. 2. And last one. Hold it here. Now you're going to sweep your feet side to side. All right? And add a little pulse curl up. So it's up, up, up. This gets a little bit challenging, okay? Let's just do 10 of them. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, great. Now I'm going to grab the weight and I'm going to put it in my right hand. My left hand's behind my head elbow wide. Split the legs, so scissor the legs. Hover the right leg off the floor, and you're going to try to touch the right hand to the left toe. All right? Now don't go all the way back because that's going to be too tough. So bend the elbow. Bend and get there. Bend halfway of this. Then we'll pull up the leg. 6. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, ready? So you're going to bend, pull it up. 9, 8, good. 7, yes. 6, 5, whoa. 4, try to stay steady here. 3, try to touch that toe. 2, OMG. Last 1 and switch. Ready? Here we go. Lower and hover the leg, bend the left elbow and touch for 10. 9, 8, 7, you're doing great. Hover that left leg or just drop it on the floor if it's too much. 5, 4, 3, 2, okay, ready? You're gonna bring the leg up, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, pull both feet up, both legs up, and you're just going to try to touch the weight. So it's a reverse crunch with a curl up added. Whew. All right, come on, just 30 seconds here, almost done. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And can you hold it up? Up, 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 up. Point the toes. Get your bum just elevated off the mat. Up, 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 up. I know, I hear you. All right, now point the toes. Go up with your bum from there. Ready? Go. 10, 9. My shoulders are off the mat. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Great job today, guys. There you have it. A lot of core with one light weight. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.